Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Samantha and I do skin bleaching tips and review all about the skincare. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please like, share, subscribe, watch the ads, comment and share this video. So today I will be doing a review on the Olaybact Triple Action Cream. It's an antifungal, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory cream. So if you are interested in this video, just stay tuned, don't move a muscle and let the review go on. So let me go right into the nice stuff, right? So the Olaybact Triple Action is a tropical steroid that is used to lighten skin, remove stretch marks, clears pimples, rashes, relieves redness, swelling, and reduce inflammation on the body. It is manufactured by a company in India. The cream is white in color and it is well packed in a 30-gram container. It reduces inflammation and allergy reaction to product with side effects. The cream is used for the treatment of allergy disorder and other skin discomfort. Olaybact Triple Action Cream is active against eczema, yes, and acute dermatitis. It simulates the cutaneous system by bringing the skin to its normal state. It also provides relief for skin itching, redness, rashes, inflammation, skin swelling, and other discomfort. Olaybact cream can be mixed with other creams or body lotion to boost its effect to allergy and any other irritation. It moisturizes, protects, and preserves your skin elasticity without leaving any greasy film. It provides extra protection from bacteria and other microbes which cause skin infection. I highly recommend Olaybact Triple Action Cream to anyone who wants to get rid of stretch marks, acne, scars, allergic reaction, redness, swelling, blemishes, freckles, acne, or hyperpigmentation. Well, this is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, watch the ads, comment. I do videos every day. You can come back tomorrow. Have a great day. Go and watch more videos. Bye.